Samsung's Ultra series has long been praised for its camera hardware, but fans have grown impatient with the lack of meaningful upgrades. Now, the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is finally addressing one of its biggest pain points, motion blur and low-light performance, with a smart tweak to its 200MP camera system. Magnifying glass, tilted left, same sensor, smarter optics. According to trusted tipster at Universize, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will continue using the 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor, first introduced with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. While the sensor itself remains unchanged, Samsung is pairing it with a wider aperture lens, allowing significantly more light to hit the sensor. This change is expected to reduce image noise in low-light conditions, improve dynamic range and color accuracy, shorten shutter time to eliminate motion blur, deliver sharper, more natural-looking photos and videos. The HP2 sensor's 1/1.3-inch size may be aging, but the wider aperture breathes new life into its capabilities, especially for night shots and fast-moving subjects too. Camera: full camera setup, balanced and versatile. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a quad-camera array, 200MP main sensor, ISOCELL HP2 with wider aperture, 50MP ultrawide with autofocus, 12MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, 50MP periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, 12MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. All cameras will support 4K 60 frames per second recording with 10-bit Super HDR, including HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG formats. For creators, this means smoother footage and richer color depth across lighting conditions. Movie camera: 8K video limitations. While many hoped for 8K 60 frames per second recording, the ISOCELL HP2 sensor maxes out at 8K 30 frames per second. That capability will still be available across the main, ultrawide, and super telephoto lenses, but ultra-high frame rate 8K remains out of reach, at least for now. Counterclockwise arrows button: variable aperture rumors. Samsung may also introduce a variable aperture function, giving users control over depth of field and exposure. This would allow toggling between brighter shots with creamy background blur, sharper images with deeper focus. If true, this would mark the return of a feature last seen in the Galaxy S10 series, and a major win for photography enthusiasts. For Brain final take: a subtle yet impactful camera upgrade. While the Galaxy S26 Ultra may not reinvent its camera hardware, the wider aperture lens could be the most meaningful improvement since the Galaxy S20 Ultra. By solving motion blur and enhancing low-light performance, Samsung is finally tuning its flagship for real-world shooting conditions, without relying solely on software tricks.